The train is coming. See if we can see it through here. There's the fire station. Yeah, the gate is full, so I can't really see that train. Oh. There's the Canada. Now there's one grocery store. They're rebuilding the saloon hotel. You see part of the train going. See? Train. T-R-A-I-N. Train. Just 1 minute, and I went through the town. You can hear it a little bit. It's over. It's gone. Okay, bye. Have a good day. Trains are nice to listen to and to watch. Okay, draw a picture of a train.